Hey guys, it's Dhruva. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So you probably saw an ad at the beginning of this video, and that officially means that my channel is officially monetized. And is a part of the YouTube partner program. So in today's video, I'm just going to sit down and walk you through the entire process, my timeline, how long did it take me to get monetized, what all I did to make it happen, talk about Google AdSense, and also help you in a way. So if you are a YouTuber or if you are considering starting on YouTube, I'll share some tips and tricks that will help speed up the process and you don't make the same mistakes I did. So I'll be talking about all of that in this video, and I hope that it's super useful to you. Also, if you're new on my YouTube channel, you have to subscribe, guys, because the journey from here is only in the upward direction. So if you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, press that subscribe button, like this video, share this video, and let's quickly dive in. So you probably know that in order to get monetized on YouTube, your channel needs a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 365 days. So if your channel is 2 years old, then YouTube will not consider the entire watch hours for the channel, but only the last 365 days of watch hours, and that has to exceed 4,000 hours. So along with meeting that threshold, you also need an active Google AdSense account. So if you have a blog, then you probably have the account which is linked and you're good to go. But if you don't, then you need to create a separate account in Google AdSense, and I'll talk about that later in this video. So the first video that I consciously uploaded on my channel was on 24th May 2018, which was a DIY art and craft video.
Hey guys, this is Dhruva. Welcome to my channel. And this summer I organized a little summer camp, or you can even call it an art and a craft class, and I organized it for kids in the age group of 4 to 12, and I taught them 10 creative things in 10 days.
So at that time, I did not think of it as a source of income. I just made a video because I thought I would enjoy filming it and I would enjoy editing it, and I just did it as a hobby. I had no plans of getting my channel monetized or having it as a part of my income. I had 2 more videos on my channel which were uploaded in maybe 2016 or 17, but those were ad films that we did in college, and as we used to upload videos on Facebook, I just randomly uploaded them on YouTube, and I still till date haven't taken them off because I don't mind. So from then I kept on uploading some videos. I uploaded some shopping haul videos because I'm a person who enjoys shopping and also enjoys watching that kind of videos, so I uploaded a few of those. Then I went on some international trips, so I vlogged those trips and uploaded those vlogs. Some of the videos performed better than the others. I still remember the day when my video hit 1,000 views, and I was pretty much pumped up about it, and I just enjoyed the process of filming it, documenting my travel experiences, storytelling that goes behind shopping, beauty, skincare, fashion, and all of that. So I kept on making the videos, but somewhere at the end of 2018 and the beginning of 2019, I got caught up with work, and of course I was not considering YouTube as a source of income or even a career. So I took breaks that were even longer than 3 months. I did not have a niche for my channel. I did not have a posting schedule, and I was not at all consistent. But even then, somewhere in 2019, my channel did hit 1,000 subscribers, but I was super away from that 4,000 watch hour threshold, because trust me, that is super hard to get, and with no upload schedule and no knowledge of how the entire YouTube thing works, that felt like a distant dream. But that's when I honestly decided that, you know what, I'm going to get my channel monetized. So I did think upon a niche for my channel. So I thought that I'll be doing fashion, beauty, and lifestyle related videos. I did set up an upload schedule. There were times when I uploaded 8 videos in a month, but there were also months when I just uploaded a single video in the month. So to be honest, I was not very consistent, and that is why it took me so long to get my channel monetized. But in the beginning of 2020, I had this thing on my vision board that no matter what, before December 2020 ends, I'm going to get my channel monetized. So that's still on my vision board, that YouTube channel monetization by December 2020. I took up a niche. I fixed some upload days. I did a course by a fellow YouTuber, a YouTube program course, and that's when things started to fall in place. I learned a lot of things which I will be sharing with you. So I got to know that you need to make longer videos on YouTube, because earlier I was making videos that were 3-minute long, 4-minute long, 5-minute long, but in order to meet the YouTube watch hour threshold, your videos need to be longer. So let us take for example 4,000 watch hours means 2,40,000 minutes. So even if you are making a video that is 10-minute long, not everybody is going to watch the entire video. There'll be people who will be leaving that video at 5 minutes or at 3 minutes, and even let us assume everybody is watching the entire video, the entire 10-minute video. You need 24,000 views on that particular video, which seems like a lot, but imagine you have a 3-minute video, then you probably need 80,000 views on that video, which is literally impossible to get when you are at a beginner level. So I started making longer videos, and I understand it now that after you have monetized your channel, if you want to place ads in between your videos need to be 8 minutes or longer. Earlier it was 10 minutes or longer, but now if your videos are above 8 minutes, you will be able to place ads in between your videos as well. Also, YouTube as a platform promotes videos that are longer, because YouTube wants people to be on their platform. They want their audience to be retained on YouTube, and thus they promote longer videos so that people end up spending more time on YouTube. So YouTube in general promotes longer videos, and thus I intentionally started making longer videos which were not boring, because that's also very important. So if I'm making a longer video and it's super boring, people would just leave the video at the beginning itself, and that would reduce my click through rate, and that would reduce my audience retention percentage. So you have to, along with making longer videos, you have to make sure that your videos are interesting and you keep your audience hooked on. So with all of that being said, today is 22nd of December, and I received an email from YouTube that my channel is monetized. Now I have seen a lot of these videos where YouTubers come and share their monetization experience, and once you get eligible. So I got eligible. I had 1,000 subscribers, and I had 4,033 watch hours in the past 365 days to be precise, and that's when I got the notification that your channel is eligible. You are eligible to apply for the YouTube partner program. My channel was still not eligible because I had to apply, and then YouTube reviews my channel. So if I fail the review, so if I'm using some copyrighted videos or whatever their entire partner program policies are, so if I'm not meeting that, they have a right to reject my channel even after I've met the threshold. So just yesterday night, that was 21st of December, I met the threshold. I already had Google AdSense signed up, so that was a great thing, because if I didn't have Google AdSense signed up, it would have taken me more days to that process would take another 7 days, because you have to enter your bank account, you get some deposit amount in your bank account, you have to enter that account to get your Google AdSense up and running. So I already had gotten that done earlier in 2018 when I just started my channel. So I met the threshold, I had the Google AdSense sign up, and all I had to do was apply for the verification. So I did that yesterday night, and it told me that it would take up to 30 days, and most YouTubers always say that their channel gets approved after a period of 20 days, and for some it happens in a week. But surprisingly enough, I applied just yesterday night, and today in the morning at 10:45 a.m. I got an email that my channel is a part of the YouTube partner programs, which is less than 12 hours. I don't think it has happened with any other YouTuber, and I consider myself super lucky. So I could see the $ beneath all my videos, and I turned on the monetization thing for all my videos, and you have to manually place ads if you want. So you have to place ad breaks in between your videos. So I'm still learning all of that. So yeah, I am a part of the YouTube partner program now, and I still haven't received my first paycheck because I just got monetized today, and I'll talk about that when I do. So I'll make a separate video of me receiving my first paycheck and how the entire ad things work and all of that. So for now, I have some tips that I would upfront tell you about what you should do. So from the day you start your channel, make sure you have a fixed niche, you have an upload schedule so your viewers know when to expect a video and when they should come to your channel. Thirdly, set up your Google AdSense well in advance, so that don't wait for your channel to meet the threshold, just set it up in advance. And make longer videos, because that is what YouTube wants and that is what will help you reach the threshold super fast. And one more thing that I'd like to add is be consistent. Don't be like me, because it took me 2.5 years, which is like the longest period any YouTuber took to get their channel monetized. But like I said, I wasn't serious about it. I did not think it as a source of income or a separate stream of income for me. I didn't have a niche, I was not consistent, and I thought I was doing it as a hobby. I did not think of it as an earning stream. So now I do, the moment I became serious, and I wrote it on my vision board, and manifestations do come true. So I'm super grateful for this to happen, for you guys who always watch my videos consistently. So thank you so much, and I'll keep you posted when I receive my first paycheck, and I will keep you notified about that. And yeah, one more thing, always when you make a video, make sure you speak it out loud that subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video and share this channel, because that is when you're prompting your audience to hit that subscribe button. Because when you go to the analytics, you'll be able to see that so many people have watching your videos but they haven't subscribed to your channel. So make sure you say it out loud. So guys, go subscribe to my channel, press that little bell icon, and just be vocal about it, because that is what will prompt your audience to subscribe to your channel. And with that being said, I feel I've blabbered enough in this video, so I'll call it off and see you another time. Till then, bye.